Welcome. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Mark Malore, and I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I wanted to speak with you today about any disputes you have as a homeowner with a contractor you've hired to perform home improvement work on your home. When you do that, you undertake a project, whether it's remodeling a bathroom or adding a bedroom or a patio or even remodeling a kitchen. When you do something like that, you want to make sure that you hire a licensed contractor who is bonded. But more importantly, what happens when you have a dispute with that contractor? So I want to give you a couple options to think about when you have that dispute, how to resolve that. You first need to take a look at, in your dispute with your contractor, what the cost of repair is. If you have costs that exceed $15,000, and you really need to start thinking about litigating that dispute with a contractor. One of the first things you need to take a look at is your contract with the contractor and whether the contract contains an attorney's fees provision. If the contract contains an attorney's fees provision, then you may recover some or all of your attorney's fees, depending on the judge, what the judge awards you. But that can be helpful in terms of deciding whether to pursue litigation in a court of law or doing another option, which I would suggest for any damages less than $15,000. And what I mean by that is you want to go to the Contractor State License Board in California. They have a free complaint form that you can get on their website. And in doing so, you can file a complaint against the contractor. The Contractor State License Board in California will pursue that with the contractor, get their point of view, and then perhaps offer you a mediation or arbitration of the dispute between you both if it can't be resolved quickly. They also may hire another licensed contractor approved with the Contractor State License Board to go out and review the work done by the contractor to see if there is indeed negligent work or work that was performed below the standard of care. If that's the case, then you have a free expert on your side from the Contractor State License Board reviewing the work that was done, and in any subsequent arbitration, that person will testify as to the quality of work done by the contractor. Those are the two steps you want to look at when you look at handling a dispute with a contractor. If you're above $15,000, I would severely consider pursuing litigation with an attorney like myself or someone else of your choosing to pursue those damages. If it's less than that, you really want to consider just filing a complaint with the Contractor State License Board, because the cost of litigation will quickly outweigh that $15,000. And if you don't have a way to recover your attorney's fees and costs, like a provision in the contract that's required in order to do so, you're really going to be out of pocket very quickly, more than perhaps the cost of repair is worth. And that's not something you want to do. I wanted to give you those quick points. If you have any further questions, please feel free to visit our website, www.malorelawfirm.com, or contact us at the number below to set up an appointment if you want to speak with us directly.